These other four with the round tips, these other four are all going to be used for roughing stock, just turning stuff down, turning your stock down. This one right here is going to be the parting tool, and it looks like this, laid flat. Each toolbox will have a parting tool, center bits, and this is your facing tool right here, the square one. This is a threading tool. We'll get to this later on, but this is the facing tool. The tools you should be using are these, this, or this for now. One of these round tools, you're going to set it up in the tool holder, and you need to make sure that your tool post has some shims. The shims are back over here in the 5th drawer with the shim stock. This one might be too wide. And just set it slightly past your tool rest here. So you can bolt. Now, I don't know if this amount of shim stock is going to be enough. I'm going to do a little assessing here on this machine. I'm going to bring the tool all the way down here. A piece of shim stock out that's a little thicker than the rest of it, and set it up against your part. And right now it's really tipping, that shim stock's really tipping towards you, and that means the tool is too low. And right there is about perfect. And just give you a really good idea, you're gonna begin to now turn your part down right here, just like this. You need to add a little bit of oil and a brush when you do so. You can kind of see that right now. It's slightly tipped towards me.